Library book set. Just look at these colorful books. It's bursting with Peppa Pig fun and adventures waiting to be discovered, with not just one, not two, but 6 charming books. Alright, let's open up the treasure of Peppa Pig stories. First, we have Peppa at Playgroup. Peppa's family, Peppa's favorite things, Peppa's friends, Peppa's garden, Peppa at home. Oh, we can know all about Peppa Pig. Love these books. Oh, wait, there's more. On the back covers of these books, we have piece to find Peppa Pig's jigsaw puzzle. Let's piece it together and see Peppa and her family come to life. I am so excited to read these adorable stories with you and put together a Peppa Pig puzzle. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It's time to embark on this adventurous Peppa Pig and put together jigsaw puzzle. Our first book will be Peppa Pig's Family. Peppa Pig's family loves different things. Have some tea, dollies. Peppa loves her dollhouse. George loves Mr. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Mommy Pig loves her computer. Daddy Pig loves his car. Let's go for a drive. Granny Pig loves her parrot. Pretty Polly, pretty Polly, pretty Polly. Grandpa Pig loves his wheelbarrow. Time to dig up the carrots. Peppa and Grandpa Pig love making vegetables grow. Our second book will be Peppa at Home. There are lots of fun things to do at home. Peppa eats spaghetti in the kitchen. Yummy, yummy. Oink, 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 oink. Peppa plays hide and seek in the sitting room. Come in, George. Peppa and George have a splashy time in the bathroom. The bubbles are tickly. Our next book will be Peppa's Favorite Things. Peppa Pig has lots of favorite things. Chocolate cake! Delicious! Her new red shoes. Tick, 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 tick. Spaghetti. I am going to hide this in my tummy. A secret box. Can you guess what's inside? Grrr. Bedtime stories. And her teddy. You are so cuddly. But her favorite things of all are muddy puddles. Our next book will be Peppa's Friends. Peppa loves dressing up, so do her friends. Peppa is a fairy. I can do magic. Sushi Sheep is a nurse. I'll make you better. Danny Dog is a pirate. I am looking for buried treasure. Pedro Pony is a clown. I can make you laugh. Candy Cat is a witch. I can do spells. Rebecca Rabbit is a carrot. I like carrots. Peppa has lots of fun dressing up with her friends. The next book will be Peppa at Playgroup. Peppa Pig is busy at Playgroup. Good morning, Peppa. The teacher is called Madam Gazelle. Peppa sees all her friends at Playgroup. Sushi, Danny, Candy, Rebecca, Pedro. Peppa likes painting pictures. Do you like my very pretty flower? Peppa's favorite lesson is ballet. Peppa loves going to playgroup. I am graceful ballerina. The last book is Peppa's Garden. Peppa Pig likes playing in the garden. She rides a bicycle with her friends. Whee! She has picnics with George. Teddy says I can have his cookie. Grandpa Pig grow fruit and vegetables. Yummy, yummy strawberries. She plays Piggy in the middle. Throw it to me, Mommy. Being in the garden is so much fun. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Love you all. Bye-bye.
BookTube Kids.